Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Divakar Raju. I am an orthodontist. I've been practicing orthodontics since the last 15 years. I am here in Alain, UAE. So today I'm going to speak on a very commonly asked question, which is it absolutely necessary to remove teeth when a child goes for orthodontic therapy, braces therapy? Now today, with the recent advancements what we have, in terms of the bracket systems, in terms of treatment modalities, it is possible to limit the extraction therapy to only about 10 to 20% of the cases that we treat. The 80 to 90% of cases that we treat can be done without removing teeth. Yeah, that's a very good thing, right? Okay. See how now when we see a child at an early age, when we intervene at an early age, what we do in phase 1 therapy is we remove the obstacles that are actually preventing the normal growth and development of the upper jaw, of the lower jaw, and of the teeth. So when these obstacles are removed at an early age, say when the child is about 8 years, 9 years, when we remove the obstacles at an early age, the growth and development of the jaws happen uninterruptedly into a very balanced profile, balanced face, and the teeth also develop into a very balanced situation, right? But this phase 1 therapy is usually done at the age of about 8 or 9 years, and is only for a short time, about 6 to 8 months, and then we remove the braces, and then we allow nature to take over, because we have removed all the obstacles and we have allowed the normal development to happen. Okay, and then we review the child once in 6 months, and in some cases phase 2 therapy is needed, wherein full set of braces are started, upper and lower. But since we have already done a phase 1 therapy and we have removed the interferences which would otherwise would have obstructed the normal growth and development, now the child has a well developed upper jaw, well developed lower jaw. He has enough spaces to accommodate. He has enough space to accommodate all his teeth. So extractions are not needed as much as it was needed before, when phase 1 therapy was not practiced earlier. So with the recent advancements in terms of braces, we also have self-ligation braces, Damon system, which can treat most of the cases without removing teeth. And with phase 1 therapy, where we intervene earlier, thereby removing the obstacles, we allow the jaws to develop normally into nice broad upper jaw and lower jaw. They have enough space to accommodate the teeth, thereby reducing the need for extractions. And also another factor is that teeth should not be just extracted whenever we see crowding. I mean, when we see crowded teeth, the immediate option should not be extraction. We should try in all ways possible in order not to extract teeth. But I wouldn't say that I can treat all cases without removing teeth. There are certain cases which require removal of teeth. Only in those cases teeth have to be removed. But in most of the cases, if seen earlier, if intervened earlier, we can treat without removing teeth. Wish you all good luck. See you later.